Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about probability and Bayes theorem. This is the definition of probability. If the outcome of trial consists n-exhaustive, mutually exclusive, equal possible cases of which m of them are favorable and event E, then the probability of the happening of event E is denoted by P of E, defined to be equal to m by n. P of A is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. P of A is equal to n of A by n of S, where P of A is the probability of an event A, n of A is the number of favorable outcomes, n of S is the total number of outcomes. These are some axioms of probability. There are three axioms of probability that make the foundation of probability theory. Axiom 1, probability of event. The first one is that the probability of an event is always between 0 and 1. 1 indicates definite action of any of the outcome of an event, and 0 indicates no outcome of the event is possible. Axiom 2, probability of sample space. Probability of sample space, the probability of the entire sample space is 1. Axiom 3 is mutually exclusive events. The probability of the event containing any possible outcome of two mutually disjoint is the summation of their individual probability. Now let's look at each one of them in detail. Definition of conditional probability. If A and B are two events associated with the same sample space of random experiment, the conditional probability of event A given that B has occurred is given by P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B, provided that P of B not equal to 0. Bayes theorem. Let E1, E2, so on up to En be set of events associated with sample space S, where all the events E1, E2, so on up to En have non-zero probabilities of occurrence and they form a partition of S. Let A be any event associated with S, then according to Bayes theorem, this is the formula for Bayes theorem. This is one example on Bayes theorem. Three boxes labeled as A, B, C are present. Box A contains 2 red and 3 black balls. Box B contains 3 red and 1 black ball, and C contains 1 red and 4 black balls. All the boxes are identical, having an equal probability to be picked up. What is the probability that the red ball was picked up from box A? Solution. Let E denote the event that a red ball is picked up and A, B, C denote that the ball is picked up from their respective boxes. Therefore, the conditional probability would be P of A by E, which needs to be calculated. The existed probabilities are P of A equal to P of B equal to P of C is equal to 1 by 3. Since all boxes have equal probability, P of E by A is equal to number of red balls in a box divided by total number of balls in a box, that is 2 by 5. Similarly, P of E by B is equal to 3 by 4 and P of E by C is equal to 1 by 5. Then according to formula of Bayes theorem, P of A by E comes to be equal to 0.296. Thank you.